In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Shopify store. Now, it's important to remember that you can only reactivate your store if it was deactivated within the last 2 years. If more than 2 years have passed since the deactivation, all the store data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. But if it's been less than 2 years, you're still in luck and can reopen it. First, make sure that you're logged into the exact account where the store was originally created and deactivated. Once logged in, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your current store name. Then, from the drop-down menu, click on All Stores. Here, you'll notice 2 sections here, Active and Inactive. Click on the Inactive tab and you'll see the store you previously deactivated listed here. To proceed, simply click on the deactivated store. Once you do that, Shopify will present you with 2 options. One is to reopen the store, and the other is to view your past bills. Click on the Reopen option. You will then be directed to a page where you need to choose a new plan to continue. Select any plan that fits your needs from the available options. Then on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll be able to see the billing details for that specific plan. Once you've reviewed the pricing, go ahead and subscribe to the selected plan. After the payment is processed, your store will be successfully reopened and fully reactivated.